Twist 6 4-finger-wide ring bubbles. Form a 6-petaled flower. Black 160. Inflatable for fingers wide. Twist to small round bubbles. Make a binaural knot. Tie a knot at the halfway point. Inflate the other end as well. Make another foot in the same way. Now, let's start making the hands. Inflated to a length 3 fingers wide. Make a binaural knot. Use the same method as we did for making the feet. Tie a knot in the middle. Inflate the other end as well. Make the other hand. Now the eyes. Let's start assembling.